Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. For today's project I'm using Chalkola's Gouache paint set. So let's open up this box and see what this paint set includes. So it has a sponge, some brushes, a knife palette, a paint tray, and a paint sheet. The colors are absolutely beautiful. They range from green to blue to yellow to reds and whites. It also has a gold and a rose gold color. So for this project, I'm using a stencil from Simple Stories. I'm going to try to leave all the items in the description box below so you can check that out. Here is a gel press. Now, I am not familiar using this gel press. I'm actually just learning as I go and I'm having fun. I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way or a perfect way. It's just a matter of applying colors, layers, and just having fun and enjoying your creations. The gouache paints have worked well with this project, so I'm just going to repeat the entire process across the gel press. And then I'm going to use a white cardstock 12 by 12 sheet, and I'm going to place it over the gel press. So I just hope you enjoy the process. I do want to quickly mention that I did let each layer dry before I applied the next layer of paint. So I used another insert as my template, so you just pretty much place it over your sheet that's fully dried. You trace it around and you cut it. You fold and you score. Now if you want the round corners, I do recommend that you get a round corner puncher. Those are very handy. And I love the way it just gives it like a finished look. Here I use some rub-on transfers. I love using rub-on transfers just because it adds a little more, oomph to your project. So that's what I'm using here. And for the edges, I'm going to use Distress ink from Tim Holtz. I just wanted to add a little more dimension to the edges, and that's what I'm doing. Here I'm just adding a little more color. I watered down some ink, and I just placed it onto the paper. And then lastly was Mod Podge. I didn't want that rough look. I wanted to have a smooth finish. The gouache paint does give you a rough look, so I wanted to add a Mod Podge. Finally, I just used some copy paper that I also traced and I cut. And this book is complete. I absolutely love the way it came out. I enjoy using Chalkola's Gouache paint sets, so check them out. Thank you, Chalkola, for supplying the paint colors. I tried to keep this project as simple as possible. I also loved using that gel press. I hope this inspires you to create your own inserts or journals. And thank you so much for watching, because it's viewers like you that keep this channel going. So please give this video a like or comment below and tell me what you think about this project. Well, until next DIY. Oh, and don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. God bless.